Hi, this is Lisa Goodell, and I'm a new Stampin' Up demonstrator, but I'm not new to the world of stamping. I took off being a Stampin' Up demonstrator for over 10 years just to finish raising my family, and also the all-encompassing world of special ed and teaching that took up a lot of my time. But through the pandemic, I have realized that I really need to be creating art for my mental health. And so I've really tried to start doing more of that. And so that has included getting back into stamping. And so now I just became a demonstrator and I want to start doing videos. And so I hope that you'll join me by subscribing to my channel, even though I don't have any videos there yet. I'm just getting started, but I hope to show you lots of fun techniques for making cards and also doing other kind of out of the box type projects using special techniques and such. And so thanks for checking this video out, and I hope to see you in my future videos.